hand, medium left, crest, bump. Steady, steady.
A very nasty looking crash, thankfully and amazingly both men okay.
It just came in here and it looked a bit too hot and it hit the banking. And then we just, as you can see, we slipped over the wall and down about 30 foot. And to various parts of the car and various bits of trees, so it's about the only straight that I've got left.
Let's watch again as they try and negotiate safe passage through these narrow lanes. Very narrow lanes. The world of powerboat racing is one of sophistication, elegance and poise. And the occasional nasty mishap. You may well be familiar with the phrase catch a wave. Well, that's what we're about to do.
Oh, huge, huge air for extremeboat.com. That was incredible. And this is from the onboard side of things. Oh, and you hear Jackie scream at that moment.
We had a couple of horrific moments. I really thought we were going over at one point, and a few very big airborne moments. So I'm not going to wish for rough water anymore. That's it now.
That was in considerably calm weather. This is what it's like when the sea is a little rougher.
Look at this. This is absolutely incredible stuff as they just disappear into a hole between the waves.
This is extreme racing.
No, this isn't racing. It's an attempt at flight. Quick, pass the sick bag. One of the toughest sports on the planet is extreme rallying, and that means events such as the Dakar Rally. Time now to find a cushion to cover your eyes. Don't say I didn't warn you. This is all that remained after that horror smash. Oh, that bit as well. The camera didn't fare too well either. Dare you look again? If so, then look for the other cameraman. We just caught a glimpse of a big wobble, so he's put his shirt back on. One last time, and at what point are the trousers soiled?
Yeah.